Okay, this is going to be a ring reveal of the JewelScent Bamboo Rain Aroma Beads. Yes, I have done another one. This is going to be my second one of these. I don't quite see the ring in there, so I can't really pinpoint. Aha! There it is. It's right there. So, I just take out my cup. It still has beads from my other one in it. Pour the beads in here until the ring pops out. Eventually, there it is. Okay. Let me unwrap. There are beads in the wrapper. There's the ring. This is another size 9. I don't have this one yet, which is nice. I don't have any copies yet. Code is SG24, which I happened to look up, and this is a $15 ring. I like the design of it. I like the S part. Not as sparkly as some of my other ones are, but it's still a cute ring. Okay? Then you just take your cup full of your beads, and you take your bottle, and you pour them right back in there. And I know I haven't mentioned it yet, but these beads and the candle smell like after it rains. It's a very nice, clean smell. I'd recommend these for anybody. I love these.